Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have items that I purchased from HSN, scrapbook.com, D-Stash, and I think that's it. So let's get started. So first up, I purchased some stamp sets from HSN, these Crafter Companion brush stamp sets. I was watching either Lynn, who's the gift diva here on YouTube, or Melissa, Mo's Creation. I don't know, one of the two ladies, I believe. And they showed these, and I immediately went and ordered them. I just had no control. But the first step is the Christmas set. And you have Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, Christmas Wishes, and then Happy Holiday. So what you have is you have two stamps in the set. Let me open one. I should have opened one for you to look at. Sorry. Oh, this whole thing opened up. So you get two stamps. You get the solid and then you get the scripty, I guess, one, cursive, and you stamp one and then you can overlay the other. So I think this would be great with different colors and maybe even some embossing. Yeah, maybe I'll get out my embossing powders that I never use. Then I also got the birthday set, the everyday set. So this is Happy Birthday, thinking of you, thank you so very much. So I think these are really nice, simple, easy, straightforward. I look forward to using these. So that was from HSN. And then also from HSN, I picked up these Anna Griffin Christmas Perfect Rosettes. I've been wanting these for a while. I kept, no, you don't need those. No, you can make rosettes yourself. And sorry about the crinkling. And they were on clearance, so I went ahead and purchased them. So you get the red and the gold ones, and I think those are the only two colors. Wow, this is pretty noisy, huh? And then you get the silver. That's really pretty, and I really like that one. Isn't it cute? So I think this will help me make my Christmas cards a little easier. And that's that gold one. So I look forward to using those. I don't want to put them back in the bag and call all that noise. So then I purchased a couple of D-Stashes from Crafty Bean here on YouTube, Tina. She's been having D-Stashes for a couple of weeks now. And so I purchased these, and it's the flower for each of your birthday month. And this is going to be super crinkly too, so I won't torture you. So you have a flower for represents each month. I just think these are super cute and can't wait to use these. As soon as I saw these, I was just like, I really like those. So I got those. And then Rosa, who is here on YouTube as Sun and Moon Arts, has been having these stashes too. And I purchased this Tim Holtz set from Stampers Anonymous. And this is the stitches. And this one is called Fragments. Super cute. And then this one's called Faded Type. So I think maybe she used one in one of them, and I don't think she even used these. So this was a great deal, and I can't wait to use these. So thank you, Rosa, and also thank you, Tina, if you're watching. Looks like I left off one of the stamp sets for the Crafter's Companion. This one says hello from me to you, so that was left out of my showing you. So then I purchased from scrapbook.com this set called Simply Vintage Lemon Twist. I looked on scrapbook.com where I shouldn't have been looking, and I saw this paper and I just loved it. It's so pretty. There are bees and lemons and all sorts of pretty things in this paper. Look at that. Soak up the sunshine. How pretty is that? Jeez Louise. Super pretty, and it's double-sided. So it's 24 sheets, double-sided. Backside. Look, sweet. Be sweet, be kind. That is so pretty. Isn't that pretty, guys? And then it has little bees all on the back, and I'm like all into bees this summer. I like this one. Life is good. And then on the back is a kind of a distressed. Oh, my papers are tearing out. And then this page here, it's really cute. It says Singer's Lemon Soda, Robertson Silver Shred Lemon Marmalade. Oh, I hate marmalade. Ugh. That one there. Sorry if you love marmalade and you make marmalade or something. I cannot take it. Look at that. When life gives you lemon, make lemonade. I really like this page. And then we have the lemons with some, looks like French writing because it says Paris. I'm going super slow here. Totally enjoying this paper. Sorry. This one has butterflies on it. Cute. And look at that bead. Oh my goodness. Talk about hard to use this paper. And look at the cut aparts. I really like those. That is really gorgeous. Enjoy the good. That's nice. Wow. I don't know if this paper is going to be able to be put on a card. Oh man. And then it starts over. So pretty. So I knew it was pretty when I saw it. So I ordered a couple of the sheets in 12 by 12. And so I got the one that had the lemons with the French writing. What I assume is French writing. I guess I could turn it this way. Oh, sorry. And this is called Be Happy. I like this a lot. I got 2 of those. And then I got the larger cut aparts. This is the 4x4 elements, they call it. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, man. I'm in love with this paper. And then I got the 3x4 elements. Look at that. Is that not pretty? Oh, my goodness. Wow. And then this one is the journal elements. I've looked at this paper before. You would think that I didn't look at it before I'm showing this video, but I'm just like staring at it. So cute. And then this one, I don't know why I only got one of these. I don't know. Very disappointed in myself. Because look at that. That is so pretty. I don't know. Maybe I should order like 5 and see what the shipping will be. Yeah. That's not going to be good. So, anyway, that's my haul. And then also from scrapbook.com, I always forget the freebies, but this time I did notate that I wanted these and the gold letters. So let me know what you liked in this haul. And if you are my subscribers, one of my subscribers, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't upload videos on any type of regular basis, just when I feel the need to share. But I do appreciate all the support that I do receive. So you guys have a nice one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.